In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics in Jira. If you're organizing larger pieces of work in Jira, creating an epic is a great way to group related tasks, stories, or issues under one bigger initiative. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple process for creating an epic directly in Jira, and I'll explain what each field is for so the setup feels straightforward. To begin, open your Jira project and click on Create. This opens the issue creation window, which is where you'll define the new item you want to add to your project. Since Jira can create different kinds of work items, the next step is choosing the correct type. In the Create window, click on Work Type. A drop-down menu will appear with the available issue types for your project. From that list, select Epic. This is important because epics are designed to represent larger bodies of work, often spanning multiple tasks or user stories. Choosing the byte work type ensures your item is created with the correct structure and fields. Once epic is selected, enter the summary. The summary should be short, clear, and descriptive, because this is usually the first thing your team will see when viewing the epic in boards, backlogs, or search results. Try to make it specific enough that anyone looking at it can quickly understand the purpose of the epic. Next, enter the description. This is where you can provide more context about the epic, such as the goal, scope, key requirements, or any background information your team should know. A strong description helps everyone stay aligned and reduces confusion later when related work starts getting added beneath the epic. After that, enter any other information required or useful for your workflow. Depending on how your Jira project is configured, this might include fields like assignee, priority, labels, due dates, components, or other custom fields. Take a moment here to review the form carefully so the epic is created with as much useful information as possible from the start. That can save time later and make project tracking much easier. When everything looks good, click on Create to finish. Jira will then create the epic and add it to your project. And that's it. You've successfully created an epic in Jira. As a quick tip, it's always helpful to make your summary concise and your description detailed enough for your team to act on. A well-created epic makes planning, tracking, and collaboration much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.